Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to be taking a look at a fresh trade, a 2019 Supra SE 450. Let's hop inside and take a look at some of my favorite features. Starting on the transom here, the Supra, one of my favorite features is going to be this board storage right off the back here. Great spot. You also have transom seating that's easily flipped up and flipped down. Great walkthrough, so you don't have to step on any upholstery. This is a 24.5-foot boat, so you have plenty of seating for your entire crew. We have strapless board racks, a actuated tower, push of a button will go down. Very nice for bridges, tight spaces in a garage. Dual screens at the helm with steering wheel controls, making it very easy to control all of your systems, whether it's maps, audio, lighting, all of that fun stuff. You also have a co-captain screen so your driver can focus. And then moving up into the bow, a very nice filler cushion so you can get in and out of the boat without having to step on any upholstery. Come on down to MarineMax Rogers and check out this awesome 2019 Supra SE 450.